Hi guys, my name is Surajit and you're watching my YouTube channel ECONOMATRIX Day. Today we are going to study class 10 mathematics and today's chapter is chapter 15 probability. So without wasting further time, let's start the class.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So students, today we are going to study one new chapter, that is chapter 15 probability. So let me write chapter 15 probability. Now this is one of the interesting chapter, okay, and it is very easy chapter also, okay. So before starting the chapter, let us know the definition, okay, of probability as well as the meanings of some new terms. So we will start with the definition, and the definition of probability is, this is the definition. So what is the definition? Now probability is the study of experiment in which the outcome of an experiment is uncertain. Uncertain word, you must remember. That is, the result of an experiment cannot be predicted in advance. So this is a very easy definition, okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now what it is telling? Probability is the study of experiment, okay. Experiment of what? In which the outcome of an experiment is uncertain. Suppose if I give some examples, like in our day-to-day life, there are so many events occurring, and some events we can say that it may happen, it may not happen, okay. So we are uncertain that whether it will really happen or it will not happen, okay. So that time we use the word probably, okay. So this word probably, okay, like if I give one example that India may win the match today, okay. India may win the match today with Bangladesh, okay. So here chances are there, okay, but not sure, okay. Then another thing, today it might rain, okay. So you are telling that it might rain today, it may not rain also, okay. So you are not completely, you are not sure, okay. Then another example, maybe you are correct or you are right, okay. Like this, thousands and thousands of examples are there, okay. So these are the events, okay. Like one cricket match is going on, so that is one event. You are playing football, that is also an event, okay. You are going to school, okay, that is also event, okay. Now here these are events. Now these events, if I consider as an experiment, okay, and the outcome of the experiment, okay, at last suppose India will play a match with Bangladesh, okay. Now India can win the match, India can lose the match, or there will be a draw, okay, understand, or the match can be suspended due to rain, okay. So many things can happen, so you are not sure, so that's why it is uncertain, okay. And the result, that is what? The result of that match, of that experiment cannot be predicted in advance. In advance you cannot predict it, and that is only known as probability. Clear? Understood? Now, all these examples suggest that there is uncertainty about the happening of an event. So, there is no such measurement, but in mathematical statistics, we can find out, we can calculate the degree of certainty, okay, the degree of the certainty of events, okay, in numerical values. Clear? And that is what? That is a statistical measurement method provided by the branch of mathematics. So, one method is there where we can find out the degree of certainty, okay, because it is uncertain, okay. Now, in mathematical statistics, we can find out the degree of certainty of the events, okay. And how we can find out? Through the theory of probability. Clear? Through what? Through this procedure, through this method, that is the theory of probability. Clear? Now, I think you have got one little idea about probability. I am not telling the whole concept of probability, but little idea you got it, okay. So, I do not want to make you confused, okay. The theory is little big, okay. There are too much in the theory, but you must know the theory also, okay. It is the theoretical questions will not come in the exam, but you must know, it will be helpful in class 11, 12, okay. So, now let me start. Suppose classical, if I write classical definition, classical definition of probability, classical definition of probability. Now, what is this classical definition of probability? Or you forget about classical definition of probability also, okay. Let us know in easy way formula which you are waiting. So, what is the formula? Yes or no? So, we will write the formula in this way: P E equal to, and the formula is what? Okay. Or we will say small m by n, okay. This is the formula, P E is equal to m by n. Now, you will say, sir, what is this? P E is equal to m by n. Now, what is n? Now, total, so we can write here what? Where total number of possible outcomes. This is only known as n, total number of possible outcomes. And what is m? M is what? Number of favorable outcomes, okay. And then I am adding something else of getting, okay. This will help you dot 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 dot, and this is only known as m. So, class 10 students should know this thing, only this much, okay. Very, very important thing, okay. The formula is P E is equal to m by n. That means probability of an event. Event is E. You can write P A also. P A is equal to m by n also, okay. P E also m by n. Now, what is this m? M is number of favorable outcomes, okay. And what is n? Total number of possible outcomes, okay. Now, let us do one sum, then you will understand more nicely, okay. Now, see the question: a dice is rolled once, find the probability of getting the number 4. So, a dice, they are talking about dice. So, let me draw one dice, it will be more clearer to you. So, this is a dice, a Ludo dice which you used to play at home. Okay. Now here 1, the diagram is not so good. Okay. If I now here suppose 3. So in a dice, how many faces are there? It is a cube, so there will be 6 faces. Each face 1, another face 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total outcome will be 6. So first sentence I will write here, total number of possible outcomes. Okay, total number of possible outcomes, and that is what? N, and it is what? 6. Now what is the question? They are asking find the probability of getting the number 4. Okay. So what I will write? Number of favorable outcome of getting. I wrote in the formula of getting, then dot dot dot. Now in that dot dot dot, what I will write? The number 4. Okay. And that is only, in short we say M. So when you will take the dice and roll it one time, then what it can come? It can come 1, it can come 2, it can come 3, 4, 5, 6. So everyone has one chance to come. Okay. So 4 can come only one time. So what we will write? 1. Okay. Therefore, PE, that is probability of the event. Event of what? Getting the number 4. Okay. And it will be formula is what? M by N. So M is how much? 1, and N is what? 6, and this is the answer. Okay. Now if they ask what is find the probability of getting the number 5, so that time only this line will change the number. It will become not 4, it will become 5, and the outcome will be what? 1 only, 1 by 6. Clear now? So this definition is only the classical definition of probability. Clear up to this much? Let us take another example. Okay. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Okay. So one packet of cards is there. Okay. And you all know that in a pack of cards, okay, there are 52 cards. Okay. Then what they are asking? Calculate the probability that the card is an ace. Okay. Now if I want to solve this answer, first I have to find out the total. Total how many cards are there in the packet. So total number of possible outcomes. Okay. So that is what? N, and N is how many? 52. Okay. Total number of possible outcomes. Now what they are asking about ace? So number of favorable outcome of getting, then I told dot 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 dot. So here what will of getting an ace. Okay. A will write in capital letter ace, and that is what? M, and that will be how much? So now in a pack of 52 cards, there are how many ace? Okay. Ikka. Okay. So there are 4 ace. Okay. One is of spade, one is of clubs, one is diamond, and one is heart. Okay. So 4 ace are there. Clear? Now therefore probability, that is P, of the event. What is the event of getting an ace? Okay. You can write here P in bracket of getting an ace. Okay. That also you can write, equal to M by N. So this is 4M and this is 52. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 carry 12, 4 threes are 12. So what you get? 1 by 13. Answer. Okay. Now you can slowly or you are slowly having an idea of how to solve the probability sums. In class 10 it is very easy, okay. Theory is little hard, but I will teach you the theory in between the sums also, okay, because theory is important, okay, important in class 11 also and 12 also, okay. So you must know the definitions of certain terms are there, that I will teach you while I will solve the, when I will be solving the exercise questions, that time slowly I will teach you little theories, okay. If you like my channel, then please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe it. And also please press the all notification bell so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. So in the next part, this is the introduction part. In the next part, we will be solving the exercise questions as well as new terms we will be understanding, okay. So thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.